Alright guys, so we're out here for Restoration Day, which is Dominican Independence Day, and we're down here at the Malecon. It should be freaking wild today, so make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and we're going to show you what's going to happen, what's going on, and hopefully we can show you some party. If you guys look, we're right over here near the beach, obviously the Malecon. But everyone kind of just like pulls their cars up and like starts bumping music, but there's like random bars as you keep going down. Everybody rides the motos. We just had sunset. So we still have a little bit of pink. Still a little pink, but it was kind of dead down there, but it's getting packed up here. Like, beautiful beaches everywhere. We're here in Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. And wow, it's getting packed. So back there, there's not a lot of people. It's kind of like just spotted, but like here, everybody's out. Beautiful blue water. Another beer. Yeah, everyone's gonna be out for Festivo today. Ooh, that smells really good. That food smelled really, really good. Got the police car out there. Yeah, it's like my first time at the Malecon. Izata. Buenas. Got all these like beachfront restaurants. Yeah, like it's not really super busy right now, but it's about to get really busy. Terraza. Yeah, everyone just kind of comes out here, pulls their like, got the ATVs out. That's a big thing in Sosua. Like, I mean, look at that beautiful sunset. sound systems in cars. Here it's like definitely in the culture, which is kind of cool. Like lots of fun. Like it just runs all along the beach. But I'm wondering, it's like there's not much down there, so we'll go back. Like everyone's just blasting their music. I miss this. Like in the south in Bogota, you have it a little bit. Buenas. Yeah, everyone's out here partying their ass off. Yeah, I figured we would just do like a walk down the Malecon, show you guys what's up. Like, these are the nights, like Sunday or any festivals. Like, people are gonna be out here having a blast, doing their best, wearing their best. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cuántos por uno? When I come back. Yeah, they definitely like speakers out here.
Dándole dedo, eso sí te ve feo. La rodilla de la
buenas. I need a fucking beer. I need to get a beer. This is just a hangout for recuperation day, or restoration day, sorry. So this is what you get like just on a holiday. Everybody's gonna come out, and supposedly it was really dead here earlier. Yeah, supposedly it was really, really dead earlier. Nothing going on. And then all of a sudden now just pop. Busy. Lots of freaking people. And then you get like down here and it's like dead. But I'm sure it's gonna be packed like the entire way, all night tonight. Like I said, I don't think we're gonna edit it. I think we're just gonna post this. And share the monetization so you guys can see what the sound is really like out here. You know what I mean? That's a big ass house. We're gonna go all the way to the end real quick before we cut this off. I hope you guys like what you saw. Like, but yeah, guys, so there's like bars all the way up, hotels on the right, and then everybody just like jamming down there, absolutely jamming. So what do you think of this this festival, or this festivo so far, guys? Lots of fun, little fun. You think Dominicans are crazy the way they party? I think this is the end of the Malecon. Alright guys, ArmyguyTravels. Just a random thing. I'm just gonna like post it, drop it, and hope you guys like it. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and most of all, enjoy, guys.